name is Mia. I'm 6 years old. I'm from Erwin A1 with School Golden River. Today I have two poems. I want to tell you my first poem is Yum Yum. I like to have a little pink gum. When I have it, I say yum yum. I will hum and say yum yum. When I can have a little big gum. The second poem is I can win. I want to win a big fat pin or a good thing made of tin. I can do it. I can win. I will win a pin or a thing made of tin. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.